welcome back to Wicked F150. So as you can see, the truck is quite muddy. It's absolutely covered, which is the point, right? So let's take a look here. Completely covered. Nice new rims, completely covered. So now we're of course going to wash it off. Now I'm not doing a full wash, I'm just rinsing it off at the moment, just to get the most of the dirt and caked stuff there on the running boards and the wheel wells off. But we actually went to Sundog Trails. It's about an hour outside of OKC, south. It's in Lexington, and it is actually a really nice place. I Googled it before, you know, places to go, take this off-road, and it had popped up, but I was unsure, I've never been there, anything like that. It rained quite hard this past week, so figured now is the perfect time to check it out, and we did, and had a blast. It's a lot of fun. Anything 4x4. Your vehicle, your ATV, your four-wheeler, your dirt bike, it doesn't matter. You can take it there. It's a hell of a time. Tons and tons and tons of trails. And it's right on the river, so you can also get in the river and play around and whatever you want to do. Today we came to a little off-road park. It's about an hour away from Oklahoma City. It's called Sundog Trails. It's got trails all through the woods, everywhere. Now that is definitely for the four-wheeler, ATV, dirt bike, whatever. The truck is a little, I think it's a little wide, and I don't want to scratch it to hell and back going through the trail, so we've been staying on the main part. This is one side, nice little mud hole right at the beginning. You can go behind underneath the bridge, and there's a whole nother set, which is the video that you guys will see of us going through it. Now, like this part here, I'm not going down directly through the middle. I don't know how deep it is, and I'm not trying to get stuck. Now I will say everything that we've been through today have not put it in four-wheel drive, have not even turned on the E-lock. So, I mean, most of it's not too bad. They do competitions and stuff like that up here, so some holes will be extremely deep. Extremely. So you got to watch that. But it is a huge complex with all kinds of different stuff. You can actually even go onto the river here behind that bank and go swimming, whatever you want. If you can see way down there, all the trucks parked, everybody, that's you're right on the shore of the river, and grilling, sitting in the water. It's actually it's a really nice place. For us, this truck, no toys, ATVs, four-wheelers, me, my wife and daughter, it was 20 bucks, which isn't bad, because I mean, you can stay out here as long as you want. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Have a great Labor Day.